Hello, my name is Guy Kapuscinski and I'm speaking to you from the Greater Toronto Area, Canada. This is week 6 of the Coursera course, Introduction to Music Production. This topic is explain the usage of the 5 most important synthesis modules: oscillator, filter, amplifier, envelope, and LFO. Okay, let's start with the oscillator. This is the basis of the sound signal in the synthesizer. It creates the sound. It's usually some sort of geometric wave pattern, such as a sine wave, square wave, triangle, random white noise, some of which can be quite unpleasant. And we use the other controls of the synthesizer to control these sounds to make it musical. The oscillator is sometimes called the VCO for voltage controlled oscillator. The next is filter module. And these are the variations on filter we've seen before. And because some of the sounds are so shrill, the low pass filter is probably the most common one we see used in a synth. It gets rid of some of those unpleasant sounds. But we can also see other types of filters: the high pass, the band pass, the notch, or the comb filter. Sometimes a filter is called a VCF, or a voltage controlled filter. Do you see a little pattern here? Third aspect is the amplifier, and here the amplifier is going to be changing all the time, changing the volume. It's sometimes called a voltage controlled amplifier. The regulation of volume is also a very important aspect of the sound produced from a synthesizer. Then there's the envelope. This controls the level of a note. It has 4 sections: A, D, S, and R. The A is attack, and it's the time it takes to go from 0 to 100%. D is decay, and it's the time for a note to decay to the S level. S for sustain, and it represents a level, not time. And R stands for release, and it's the time to go from the sustained level to 0. And it's measured in time, milliseconds typically. The final aspect is LFO. This is a strange one, low frequency oscillator. The frequencies we're talking about are typically less than 20 hertz, below the range of hearing. We don't hear an LFO, but we hear the variations in what the LFO is being applied to, whether it's volume or delay or really anything. This gives you a wide variety of different sounds that can be created. There are many ways to control these options and connections in a DAW, in a spreadsheet-like checkbox approach or a drag-and-drop approach. But the way you put these together can be just absolutely amazing. Most common we see with an LFO, the most common sound is vibrato, and that's it. The 5 are oscillator, filter, amplifier, envelope, and LFO. And that's it for lesson 6 and the exercises in this course. Thanks for watching, and good luck and good music making. Cheers from Canada. Take care now. All the best. Bye.